Hello guys, good evening everyone. Short live streaming lang tayo. We are only on the short live streaming. And Icy, hello! Thank you Icy for coming here. This is just a short stream for updating. Benjamin, hello Benjamin. How are you Benjamin? Klaro ang atong wala tayong ngipin dito guys. Tumanda na talaga si ate. How was your day? It's good, Benjamin. How about you, Benjamin? How is your day? So our topic is very topic talaga. It is infatuated. How was your day, Benjamin? I say thank you. So here are the signs that so that you can figure it out if you are in love with. Talking na naman ako eh. So number one, if it is really in love, everyone will be sleeping. Yeah. If it is in love with you, if it's really true that the person is in love with you, the person show you genuine interest in your life, values, and goals. Number two, they listen as para mag-relax ang beauty ni Alma. Number two, they listen actively and remember important details about you. Right? They support and encourage you in your endeavor. Number four, they make an effort to spend quality time with you and engage in meaningful conversation. Do you have that one? Which means you are in love. They respect your boundaries and prioritize your feelings. Oh, that is what. But if the person is in love with a dream, so sometimes using love to get something what you want like that. So these are the things that the signs they idealize you or the relationship without really loving you. You can sense that actually, guys. Number two, they focus more on the idea of being in love than on getting to know you, right? Have you noticed that one that in love but doesn't want to know you more about your background, right? That is why in the dating site, if the person asks you about family, that's the signs that that person is interested in you. If that person is asking you about your family, how about your kids, like that, interested about it. Number three, they may be overly attached on or clingy, seeking constant validation. Yung constant validation, guys, that's the reason na in love with a dream. Number four, they might not prioritize communication or conflict resolution.